The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 27 February 2024. Subscribe our channel for daily updates. National News. External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar stated that on the Western Front, the long-standing challenge of cross-border terrorism now elicits more befitting responses. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the government has brought an end to policy paralysis and dynastic politics. The Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Ministry of Ayush signed an MoU in New Delhi to achieve improvement in the nutritional status of adolescent girls in 5 Utkarsh districts. Veteran singer Pankaj Udhas passed away in Mumbai on Monday 26 February 2024 after a prolonged illness. External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar hosted permanent representatives to the United Nations of Angola, Bahrain, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Italy, Palau, Panama, Solomon Islands, and Uruguay in New Delhi. Saad Ahmed Vorech assumed responsibilities at the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi. Banks and post offices will now help the Election Commission in stepping up voter education and outreach ahead of upcoming Lok Sabha polls. President Draupadi Murmu addresses convocation ceremony of Lady Hardinge Medical College in New Delhi. Prime Minister Modi also launches around 2,000 railway infrastructure projects worth over 41,000 crore. Niti Aayog CEO BVR Subramanian says poverty has come down to 5% in the country and people are becoming prosperous both in rural, urban areas. PM Modi inaugurates Bharat Tech's 2024 Global Textile Event, says government is focusing on tradition, technology, talent, training to boost textile sector's contribution in Indian economy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tributes to freedom fighter Vinayak Damodar Savarkar Veer Savarkar on his death anniversary. International News. Palestinian Prime Minister Mohammed Shtayyeh announced his resignation due to the escalating violence in the West Bank and the war in Gaza. Indian Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary arrived in Dhaka on a 3-day visit. Pakistan, Maryam Nawaz becomes first woman Chief Minister of West Punjab. CIB arrests Chairman Jeevan Kumar Gurum of Platinum College in connection with smuggling of 14 kilograms gold. At the World Trade Organization's 13th Ministerial Conference at Abu Dhabi, Director General Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala sounded an alarm about the challenges facing the global trading system. Fallatai Teo named Pacific Island nation's new Prime Minister. Taliban releases Austrian far-right activist held in Afghanistan. Sports News. In Women's Premier League, UP Warriors will face off Delhi Capitals women in the 4th match of the league at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore, Karnataka. In cricket, India have defeated England by 5 wickets in the 4th Test match at Ranchi, Jharkhand. With this win, India has also clinched the 5-match Test series. The hosts are now leading the series by 3-1. Indian squash player Abhay Singh clinched the Goodfellow Classic PSA Challenger Tour title in Toronto, Canada yesterday. India finished the Archery Asia Cup 2024 with 14 medals, including 9 golds, 4 silvers and 1 bronze in Baghdad, Iraq. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.